Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study the second part of chapter 5, that is life and temperature zones. Today we are going to study with the we are going to start with the second topic, that is temperate grasslands. Let us begin. Areas with grasses as the dominant vegetation. So in the areas of the grassland, grass is the major vegetation. The entire area or most of the region or most of the land area of the grassland is covered with the grasses. ज़्यादातर लैंड एरिया ग्रासलैंड्स में घास से या फिर ग्रास से ही कवर होता है. Climate, it is cooler and drier than areas in the torrid zone. As we know that temperate grassland lies in the temperate zone, so the climate is also different as compared to the equatorial forest region. It is cooler and drier than the areas in the torrid zone. ये torrid zone area से ठंडा और drier भी है. The first is the prairies. See, there are 7 continents, and out of 7 continents only 6 continents have the grassland, and each grassland in every continent is known by a different name. So prairies are located in the continent of North America. The climate in prairies is extreme. The summers are very hot there and the winters are very cold, and it receives moderate rainfall, which is 88 cm of annual rainfall. So here cm is the standard unit in which the amount of rainfall is measured, which is received in a particular area. So the amount of rainfall received in prairies is 88 cm. Now the second is steppes. Steppes grassland are located in Eurasia. I'll show you in the map where is Eurasia located. Climate, temperate. It is warm to hot summers, and the winters are cool to very cold. And the area of the steppes is very dry, and it is found between a desert and a forest. Pampas grasslands are located in South America. Climate is temperate. Summers are humid and warm. So गर्मियाँ जब होती हैं पैम्पस में, वहाँ पर बहुत ह्यूमिडिटी होती है. There is a lot of water present in the air at that time, and summers are warm. Winters are mostly mild, means not very low temperature, or we can say not very cold winters. Rainfall amount varies throughout the years, means amount of rainfall which is received in Pampas keep changing throughout the year. It is not fixed. The next is the downs. Downs are located in Australia. The climate is moderate, not very hot, not very cold. Summer temperature mostly remains between 28 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, and the winter temperature remains between 10 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. So not very hot summers and not very cold winters. Moderate, mild you can say. Rainfall. The area of this grassland receives adequate amount of rainfall throughout the year. So पूरे साल यहाँ पर जितनी बारिश चाहिए, enough amount of rainfall is received in these grassland. So the types of animals found in these temperate grasslands are rabbit, hare, rat, deer, prairie dog. So the first picture is of a prairie dog, kangaroo, and the koala. So the second picture is of an animal known as koala. So there are more animals which are found in the temperate grasslands. Some of the names are given here. People, the nomadic tribes living in the grasslands are Hottentots from the Wilds and the Kyrgyz from the Central Asian steppes, and they basically herd cattle and sheep. So here is the map of the temperate grassland. The brown color shows the grasslands and the green color shows the equatorial forest region. So in North America, prairies, in South America, pampas, and in Africa, fields, and in Europe and Asia, steppes, and Europe and Asia together are known as Eurasia. Don't get confused about it. And in Australia, the name of the temperate grassland is Downs. So as you can notice, only 6 continents have the grasslands. Antarctica does not have any sort of grassland. It is obvious because it is all the time covered with the snow and ice, so there cannot be any sort of vegetation. Thanks and have a nice day.